Most countries hold elections for presidents or prime ministers. But in New Zealand, there's another kind of vote: Bird of the Year. Every year, New Zealanders campaign for their favorite native birds. They make posters, create funny ads, and argue passionately online. It's like politics, but with feathers. The kiwi, the kakapo, the tue each has its own loyal fan base. In 2021, the competition got even more interesting. A bat, yes, a bat, was allowed to enter. And guess what? It won. Some people were shocked, others laughed, but everyone agreed it made the contest unforgettable. The Bird of the Year contest shows New Zealand's sense of humor and also its love for protecting unique wildlife. After all, if you can get people excited about voting for a bird or even a bat, you're doing something right. This is a video by CK English. There is a link to an English exercise in the video description. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.